Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your SofiBank's account. To sign up for your SofiBank's account, firstly open your Google search. Type in sofibank.com and make a search. The official page of SofiBank will be displayed on the screen. Click on Get Started at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your legal first and last name, your state, email address as well as password. Your password must be at least of 8 characters. Click on the box. By checking this box, you'll agree to the terms and conditions with arbitration agreement of SofiBank. On the next page, click on Send Email. Enter the verification code sent to your email and you'll be signed up for your SofiBank's account. This is how you can sign up for your SofiBank's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.